Hi kids, welcome to Mini Melodies. Today we are going to learn about different animals and the sound they make. Are you ready? Let's get started. Cow. This is a cow. Dog. Dog. This is a dog. Cat. Cat. This is a cat. Did you hear that? That's the sound a cat makes. Sheep. Sheep. This is a sheep. Duck. Duck. This is a duck. Pig. Pig. This is a pig. Did you hear that? That's the sound a pig makes. Horse. Horse. Chicken. This is a chicken. Rooster. This is a rooster. Goat. This is a goat. Frog. Frog. This is a frog. Elephant. Elephant. This is a elephant. Lion. Lion. This is a lion. Tiger. This is a tiger. Monkey. Monkey. This is a monkey. Bear. This is a bear. Wolf. Wolf.